If you think Apple currently holds the crown for the world's most powerful tablet, you are about to be proven wrong. High-end leaks have just surfaced for the beast we've all been waiting for, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra. We are talking about a device that doesn't just want to be your tablet. It wants to be the only computer you own. Welcome back to Tap Tech, your home for the most authentic and deep-dive tech reveals on the planet. Today we have gathered every shred of credible evidence, supply chain leaks, and internal whispers to bring you the first look at the S12 Ultra. This is the tablet that is reportedly shifting from a MediaTek experiment back to the absolute pinnacle of Qualcomm power. Stick around, because if the rumors about the new tandem OLED and the titanium frame are true, the competition is officially in trouble. Before we dive into the silicon, let's talk about the first thing you'll notice: the design. For years, Samsung has stuck with a familiar look, but for 2026, the S12 Ultra is going pro. We are seeing reports that Samsung is finally ditching the aluminum armor in favor of a Grade 5 titanium frame. This isn't just for show. A 14.6-inch tablet is a massive slab of glass and metal, and by using titanium, Samsung can make the S12 Ultra lighter than the current S11 Ultra, while significantly increasing its structural rigidity. But the real mic drop moment: the notch. Leaked renders suggest that Samsung has finally perfected the under-display camera technology for a screen this size. Imagine a 14.6-inch canvas with absolutely no interruptions, just pure edge-to-edge pixels. Speaking of pixels, let's get into the display, because this is where the S12 Ultra will likely humiliate every other screen in your house. While the S11 Ultra was impressive, the S12 Ultra is rumored to adopt tandem OLED technology. If that sounds familiar, it's because it's the same tech Apple used to make the M4 iPad Pro so bright. By stacking 2 layers of OLED, Samsung is aiming for a staggering 2,000 nits of peak brightness. This means even in direct sunlight at a park in New York or a cafe in London, your HDR content will look ink black and neon bright. Plus, with the new nano-texture, anti-reflective coating being teased, those annoying overhead office lights won't stand a chance. But a pretty screen is useless without the brains to back it up. Last year, Samsung surprised everyone by using MediaTek in their flagship tablets. But for the Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra, the king is returning. Authentic leaks point toward the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2, what some are calling the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5. This chip is built on a 3nm process that is specifically optimized for AI and heavy multitasking. We are looking at a 40% jump in GPU performance. Why does that matter for a tablet? Because Samsung is finally making a move on the gaming market. Imagine playing AAA titles with ray tracing at a native 120Hz on a 14-inch screen. This isn't just a mobile device anymore. It's a portable gaming console. And for the professionals in our audience, this is where it gets interesting. The S12 Ultra is expected to launch with Galaxy AI 3.0. We've heard about Smart Decks, a new evolution of Samsung's desktop mode, that finally allows for a true windowed environment that rivals Windows 11. Rumors suggest that the S Pen is getting a massive overhaul too. We're talking about a reduced latency of just 1.8 milliseconds. It will feel like you are writing on physical paper. But the real game changer is the rumored haptic pen technology, where the S Pen will provide subtle vibrations to mimic the feeling of different brushes, pens, and pencils. For digital artists in the US and Europe who rely on the Apple Pencil, this might be the moment you finally switch. Now, let's talk about the one thing that usually kills a laptop replacement: battery life. You can't be a pro on the go if you're tethered to a wall. The S12 Ultra is rumored to house a massive 12,000 mAh battery, but the capacity isn't the story, the charging is. For the first time, Samsung is tipped to jump from 45W to 65W fast charging. In a world where we are used to waiting 2 hours for a tablet to charge, the S12 Ultra could potentially hit 50% in under 30 minutes. That is the kind of efficiency that premium users demand. But wait, there's a catch. Quality like this doesn't come cheap. Based on the current global economy and the rising cost of titanium and 3nm chips, The pricing for the US market is expected to be eye-popping. We are looking at a starting price of around $1,299 for the 256GB model. With the 1TB 16GB RAM, Extreme Edition likely pushing past $1,700, it's a steep entry price. But when you consider that this device is designed to replace your tablet, your laptop, and your sketchbook, the value proposition starts to make sense. One of the most authentic leaks we've seen involves the new modular keyboard cover. It's rumored to feature a glass trackpad with haptic feedback, similar to a MacBook. Samsung is clearly moving away from being just an accessory and toward building a cohesive ecosystem. If you are already in the Galaxy ecosystem with an S25 or S26 Ultra, the integration with the Tab S12 Ultra will be seamless shared clipboards, second screen functionality, and AI-driven file transfers that happen instantly. So, when can you actually get your hands on this beast? If Samsung follows its traditional flagship cycle for 2026, we are looking at a late Q3 or early Q4 launch. Expect an unpacked event in August or September, where the S12 Ultra will be the undisputed star of the show. If you've watched this far, you're clearly a power user who doesn't settle for good enough. The Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra is shaping up to be the most ambitious piece of hardware Samsung has ever produced. It's thinner, stronger, brighter, and faster than anything we've seen in the Android world. But the real question is it enough to make you leave the iPad? Or is it enough to make you sell your laptop? Thank you for tuning in to Tap Tech. We've been tracking these leaks daily, and as soon as we get the official confirmation or the first hands-on images, you'll see them here first. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and know exactly when the pre-orders go live in the US and global markets, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on all notifications. We are building a community of tech enthusiasts who value authenticity over hype. Before you go, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below. What is the one feature that would make you buy the S12 Ultra on day one? Is it the titanium build, the tandem OLED, or the new Snapdragon power? I'll be jumping into the comments to chat with you guys. Also, don't forget to smash that like button if this video helped you decide whether to wait for the next generation. Until next time, I'm your host from Tap Tech, and we'll see you in the future.